Hello everyone. Today we're gonna learn the process on how to withdraw our capital. Yeah, from the Arbitrage wallet. So first thing that we need to do is to uh, share our screen. So let's share our screen. Click share, and there you go. Let's go into our account. Here is our account. Okay. Yeah. First, we need to, this account is, we planned at the beginning that when we reach the, when we doubled, when we doubled the investment, we need to take out the capital, the seed money. So now it's more than a month. So we have more than, we doubled, uh, we doubled our capital more than what we expected. So yeah, a little more, half, a little more amount, doubled amount. So we're gonna take out the half. So yeah, the process, we start the process by clicking wallet and then go to Arbitrage wallet and then click withdraw. Type the amount that we wanted to withdraw. Yes, first thing we need to transfer the funds to USDT wallet. So we gonna type the amount that we need to transfer to Arbitrage, no, USDT wallet, I mean. And 518. I'm sure the amount is correct. And then let's key in the PIN. And then click submit. Yes. I wanna make sure the amount is correct again, one more time, and then click submit. This is amount here. It means yes, it went through. It doesn't want to accept the decimal point. So I took it out and it went through. There's nothing wrong. So yeah. Now we could check down how much we transferred. So we draw from Arbitrage wallet. So we could see it here, the amount. Let's make it a bit bigger. So Yeah, we could see it here. So yeah, we just need to take note of, guys, that we don't need, I just wanna reiterate again, we don't need to put the decimal point if we withdraw some funds from the arbitrage wallet going to USDT. Okay, so this process will take up to 2 business days. So yeah, that's all for now. We just need to wait our funds to hit our USDT wallet, and then on the next video, I will walk you through how to transfer it into our exchange. Okay, that's all, guys, for now. Thank you for learning with me, listening and learning with me. Okay, bye for now.